Hi, I'm Skinner from ITS. Check out this super bright LED spotlight from Dewalt. It's the DCL043 LED spotlight, another great addition to the 18V XR range. It's compatible with all 18V lithium-ion batteries, so if you're a Dewalt fan, not that kind, it's easy to add this to your collection. The spotlight is perfect for working in low light environments, when the power's gone off, or for telling spooky stories on site. It has a 90-degree pivoting head, making it useful in a variety of situations, and the 4 LEDs offer 2 output settings, 900 and 1000 lumens, with a runtime of over 10 hours when using a 5 amp hour battery. It comes with a belt clip, can be used freestanding or hung using the built-in loop. And it's also IP54 dust and water resistant. So if you're looking for a new spotlight to use on the job, the DCL043 is ideal. Head to its.co.uk to get yours now. Let us know what you think in the comments below and be sure to subscribe to see new products here first.